Welcome back to Dan's Messy Garage. Hope you can see that. Today is going to be part 11. Yesterday, I was in here till 11 o'clock last night, so I put in 13 hours yesterday. And today is going to be paint day. I'm going to start with my little airbrush, and I'm going to go around like the trunk trough area and areas around the hood, because I want to be able to close the trunk when I paint the rest of the car, so I have to do this area that you can't get to later. Gotta do that first. And I actually did start painting. Oh, in honor of 4th of July, Red Car Day, I got a USA shirt on today. Now, I was in here last night and I started painting. I'm doing one of my signature things, signature touch. I paint the gold tail panel. That didn't come out real good. I'm gonna have to redo it. I got like I don't know if the camera will pick this up or not, but right in through here, I have a color shift sag. My gun was spitting out crap, and I think what it was is I used paint that was way too old. I had some DuPont chroma based paint, but I bought it in like 2007 when I painted the 67 Mustang. And I believe what happened was this very old can of base maker. That's what you mix in with the base coat. I think this went bad because it had a milky color to it. And then when I poured in a little bit of activator, I poured in way too much activator, kind of swooshed out of the can. Anyways, it started spitting like white globby things, and I think it was the bad base maker. So I'm gonna have to redo that gold part. That's here nor there. Today is gonna be red paint day. You're watching Dan's Messy Garage, July 4th, and I'm starting early today, 7 a.m. Now that's really early for me, but for some reason I couldn't sleep and wanted to come in here. So the first thing I have to do is I do have to organize some of this mess. I need to make room on my workbench for the paint and all the paraphernalia. I need to do that. And I need to clean up a little in here so I can walk around the car easy. And I want to take my leaf blower and blow a couple pounds of dust out of here. And all that's going to take some time. So as I said before, enough yakking, get to work. Okay, I got some paint mixed up in my airbrush. The exhaust fan's on. Sorry, just gonna have to listen to that. Can't do anything about it. Okay, I just want to give you an idea of what I'm going to be doing for a while. I'll come back when I get the big gun out and start spraying. Okay, got the paint mixed up, suited up, put my alien garb on here. It is 1:42 p.m. Start spraying. Take the glasses off. Okay, it's been about 10 or 15 minutes. I'm gonna see if the fumes cleared out in here. Enough for me to go in without respirator. It still stinks. For the first coat, mighty fine, mighty fine. Mighty fine. Something weird happened here though. I got a bunch of spots. I don't think I cleaned that off properly before I painted it, so that'll have to get redone, but that's okay. Alright, I'm gonna have to suit up and keep doing this every 10 or 15 minutes. I'm not gonna bore you with all that. And the clear would be the same thing, just walk around the car spraying it. So I'm going to call this the end of part 11, fixing a smashed 66 Mustang, and stay tuned for part 12. Bye.